Nothing. Maybe if I skip the cup. Delightful. Prove it with relish. A burp challenge, eh? Told you. Make me wanna. The very same. This book I've been eating tells you all about pulling furry things out of men's apparel.
Imagine. And you say this is a giant favor to the boy?
For sure. Excuse me. Just watch. That apples give me gas. I burp in the face of adversity. Doctor. Tasty. It seems I've got a hunger for knowledge.
Better. Any other symptoms, Mr. Bumpy?
Well, I kind of got a tummy ache. Must have been hibernating. Whoa! All the way to M. Bet I could get to Z with the left foot sock.
What a business!
Yeah, and I know just the thing for it. Yes! One is the loneliest number. What a feast!
Yeah! What's that? Mr. Bumpy.
The burping.
Oh, there's my big furry guy. He's a fun.
The poor sap.
Oh! Bumpy! How on earth?
There's plenty more right here.
Good stuff like jelly. Ham. Tuna fish. And lots more.
Sorry, buddy. Couldn't help myself. Nothing like a picnic to improve the old appetite. Oh, excuse me. How rude. I could do with a little nosh. Nothing like a filthy sock to get the juices flowing again. Or even longer. My first sock and burp.